Nestled within the tranquil Praia Vermelha on the northern coast of São Paulo, the FR House by Andrade Morettin Arquitetos emerges as a subtle and elegant coastal retreat, carefully crafted to harmonize with the surrounding wild nature. This newly completed vacation home is just meters away from the ocean, yet it remains hidden from the view of beachgoers, thanks to its strategic design and the lush coastal vegetation enveloping the property. The architects have successfully achieved a delicate balance between modern architecture and the untamed beauty of Brazil's coastline, ensuring that the house integrates seamlessly with its environment. The thoughtful orientation of the house ensures that natural light and ventilation are maximized throughout the day. Large overhanging eaves extend along the two main facades, providing natural shading and reducing the need for artificial cooling. These eaves, combined with the home's elevated design, help regulate the internal temperature, making the FR house a comfortable retreat even in the heat of the Brazilian summer. The incorporation of metal rolling doors on the facades allows for additional control over airflow and light, giving the occupants flexibility to adapt to changing weather conditions. In designing the FR house, Andrade Morettin Arquitetos prioritized sustainability and environmental stewardship. The home's construction process minimized the impact on the delicate coastal ecosystem by using prefabricated elements, which were assembled on site. The house is elevated 75 centimeters above the ground, promoting natural ventilation beneath the structure and protecting it from moisture. This elevated design also helps to preserve the natural topography of the land, further emphasizing the architect's commitment to blending the home into its surroundings rather than imposing upon it. Durability and the use of natural materials are key features of the FR house. The structure is primarily composed of laminated glued timber, a material known for its strength and resilience, which was assembled on site to form the framework of the home. Prefabricated composite wood panels make up the vertical cladding and ceilings, providing a sense of warmth and texture that contrasts with the sleek, modern elements of the glass and aluminum used in the exterior. These materials not only contribute to the home's aesthetic appeal, but also enhance its longevity in the face of the coastal climate. The roofing system of the FR house is designed with both function and sustainability in mind. A combination of thermal insulation, EPS, and a synthetic waterproof membrane ensures that the house remains cool in the heat while protecting it from the elements. The choice of materials, from the polycarbonate panels to the aluminum frames and laminated glass, reflects a commitment to durability and environmental harmony. Every element of the design is carefully considered to enhance the home's relationship with its surroundings, creating a space that feels both modern and timeless. beyond its aesthetic and environmental achievements, the Effer House serves as a sanctuary for those seeking solace in nature. Its remote location and unobtrusive design make it the perfect retreat from the noise and bustle of everyday life. The house's open spaces and clean lines encourage a sense of calm and reflection, while the natural materials and expansive views remind occupants of their connection to the environment. This balance between architecture and nature is at the heart of the Effer House's design philosophy. Ultimately, the Effer House stands as a testament to Andrade Morettin Arquitetos' ability to create architecture that is both functional and beautiful, without sacrificing sustainability or environmental responsibility. The home's understated elegance and thoughtful integration into its natural setting make it a standout example of contemporary design. It is a place where modernity and nature coexist in perfect harmony, offering a peaceful haven for those who seek to escape into the beauty of Brazil's northern coast.